Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking compost. Let's get to it. Alright, so if y'all remember a few months ago, I started some leaf compost in this compost bin that I got from Home Depot. And I said I was going to flip it every like 2 weeks. That ain't happening. So I'm gonna flip it for the first time today. I wanted to take you guys along with me because I'm interested to see what it's looking like. I also have some shavings that I'm gonna add into it from my brooder that I cleaned out, and so I'm gonna mix that all in here and flip this. And yeah, come on along so we can see. So we can see what's going on. And I'm gonna try to pull this stuff off of it and move it right here. Let's see. So the plan is to just refill it over here. Okay. Now this obviously this stuff on top here is new that I've been adding to it. But well, we got some ants down here. It hasn't broken down that much. Let's see if we can get this up over into the other one. I think that part of the problem is this is really dry. So I'm going to add some water on each layer as we go. And we got a lot of rain, but this thing is still really dry. I did have that cardboard on it. I should have probably took that cardboard off while it was raining. But hey, we learn as we go. Now I did watch another YouTuber, small up and coming channel. I'll try to put him up on the screen. And he put his inside his chicken run. And so did the permaculture consultant, I think is his name. I'll put him up on the screen too. They put theirs inside with their chickens and let the chickens work on it. I got some onions down in there. That layer right there was kind of wet. I might need my gloves because that didn't feel too good when I reached it. When I reached in there on that one, that did not feel too good. Look, turkey's laughing at me. See, that right there is breaking down. Oh, that's some the feathers. The good thing is it doesn't smell, you know? There's no smell to it. So it's not like, you know, a bunch of anaerobic activity going on. Yeah, I'm gonna add a lot of water to this. And I believe I said in my first video about this compost is that chopping these leaves up and, you know, finer would help with them breaking down and whatnot. So these are going to take a long time to break down. Let me put, okay, let me bring this over here. Uh, let me bring this over here. 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 Let me b This should help a little bit, because it's got a bunch of nitrogen down in there from the chickens.
I'll put my light in a bottle, something to guide your way. Even if you're too scared to follow, there's a light in each new day. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we're finding there's more than one way to go home.
All right, well, I'm gonna get this watered in. Peanut gallery. I'm gonna get this watered in real good. I mean, real good. I want water to start coming out the bottom. How much I'm gonna water this. And wish I had more to show you on how it did, but hey, that's what happens when you don't do it. Well, somehow I lost the end of the video there, so I'm gonna end it here. I got everything all turned over and got it watered in real good. Had water running out of the bottom down there, so it is good to go. And I will try to keep up on flipping this, so I'll just move this over here and then put everything back in it and see if I can keep that up. So all right, y'all, I appreciate you watching, do all the YouTube stuff, and I will see you in the next video.